What's up, Spider Riders? Today I'm bringing you guys a video of how to swap the handlebar. I purchased the drag bar. I'm gonna be swapping it with the factory one. And the only reason I'm making this video is because no one on YouTube has made a video of this or have swapped these type of handlebars. The installation should be easy. These are all the tools that I'll be needing. The kit came with everything. It's a BRP factory part. And the way I'm gonna follow the instructions is I'm gonna go with instructionsbrp.com, which I already have set up here. You put your part number and it shows you how to do it. First, I'm gonna go and take out all these little accessories that I have here. And then I'm gonna come back and remove the handlebar. All right, all accessories have been removed. Now what we're gonna do is for these little clips, I don't know if you can see them, yep, right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They come out very easy, just push up and they out. So we're gonna remove all those 4. We're gonna remove this bolt right here. It's 4 of them. 2 on each side. 2 here and 2 on the other side. All right, just took those 2 bolts out. I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Once you take that out, both pieces come off and it just slides out just like that. I'm gonna put that one to the side and we're gonna do the other side. Okay, remove the bolts. Now, time to remove the other side. Just like the other side, it just slides out. Now we're gonna remove these 4 right here. And that'll be it for the handlebar. Now I'm gonna remove all 4 of them. And the handlebar should just slide out. I only have one hand, so I'm trying to do this while holding the camera, but that is it. And the bar's out. All right, just found out that according to the instructions, this piece stays here. That piece stay there. Then this one goes on top. And then you put the 4 extensions and then handlebar. And then the other piece that go on top. Let me see if I do that. Let me see if I do that with one hand, or if I could put the camera somewhere so you guys can see it. One thing I ended up doing different was using the factory clips that hold the wiring harness. It fits just better than this smaller one. Harness fits way better on that one. So I'm gonna put all these right on here, like that. And I'm gonna come back and finish this part. Okay, this is the final product. Without any help, this part right here was a little tricky because you have to hold the bolts, the extension right here, and you got to pass everything through there. But if you have an extra set of hands, it's much easier. But that's the final product right there. I'm gonna tighten everything up, and then I'm gonna put the wiring harness. I'm gonna put everything back. But this part right here, like I said, if you have extra hands, someone could hold these extensions and you put this handlebar and then the bolts. Okay, I just tightened up these 4 bolts right here. Now I'm gonna show you how simple this part is. See, it has a small little hole right here. It's gotta match with that hole right there. Boom, just like that. And then the clips for the wiring harness. I'm doing this with one arm, one hand. Boom, simple as that. Now, I'm gonna tighten this part right here with this. Be right back. That's it, that's the final product. I didn't show you guys the other side because basically it's the same thing as this side, but everything fits perfect. Everything looks good. Everything looks great. Look at that. This is the BRP drag bar handlebar, which comes in the Daytona 500 Spyder. I think it looks great. It looks really good. Now we gotta take it out for a test drive.